Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive through Lauderdale County, Alabama on US 72 West. We've just left the town of Rogersville and will be in a more rural area for a short time. Here we pass through the unincorporated community of Elgin. Originally named Ingram's Crossroads after Benjamin Ingram, the landowner, the town underwent a name change in 1901 to honor Elgin, Illinois. The area saw various post office name iterations, starting as Marmion from 1836 to 1849, then as Ingram's Crossroads from 1849 to 1858, and finally adopting Elgin from 1901 to 1905 before its closure. The Elgin Fire Department serves an 8-square-mile region offering fire suppression and diverse rescue services to around 4,500 residents. These services encompass tasks such as vehicle extraction, low-angle rescues, water rescues, and wilderness search and rescues. The department holds an ISO Class 3 rating. Additionally, the Elgin Fire Department employs hybrid firefighters who are certified as paramedics or EMTs. These personnel respond to all medical alarms in their coverage area, offering aid alongside the local ambulance service. The department operates from 2 stations, Station 1, situated within the Elgin Forest subdivision, and Station 2, located in the Whitehead community. Both stations are equipped with the necessary trucks and gear to handle a variety of emergencies. Station 1 is also home to an advanced life support EMS unit, extending its coverage to neighboring towns and Elgin's own inhabitants. We enter the town of Killen with a population of 1,034 as of the 2020 census. This is part of the Florence Muscle Shoals Metropolitan Statistical Area, otherwise known as the Shoals. Killen's origins trace back to the early 1800s, a time when Alabama was still part of the Mississippi Territory. Settlement began in the region, and during this period, the town was initially known as Masonville, named after Joseph Mason, who served as the first postmaster when the post office was established in 1826. This post office operated until 1866. In the 1830s, a system of canals and locks called the Muscle Shoals Canal was constructed on the northern bank of the Tennessee River. The goal was to create a means of navigating around the river's shoals, or sandbars, to facilitate the transportation of goods, particularly cotton, which was only possible during periods of high water flow. This endeavor attracted settlers and workers to the area, and the canal boasted 17 locks. However, the canal and locks were shut down by the late 1840s due to a lack of funds for maintenance and frequent flooding. In the 1870s, efforts to construct a new canal were reignited by the federal government and the Army Corps of Engineers. This resulted in a 9-lock canal operational by 1890. The canal spanned from what is now Joe Wheeler State Park to present-day Wilson Dam in Florence. Interestingly, the system even featured a segment of railway track connecting Lock 4 to Lock 9, which allowed locomotives to tow boats along the canal. The headquarters of this canal system were situated near present-day Killen at Lock 6, an area sometimes referred to as Engineer Camp on early maps. The lock's construction and operation attracted further development, including housing, a store, post office, blacksmith shop, and other structures. James Sharp Killen, a shopkeeper, erected a store and applied for a post office in 1895, leading to the establishment of the town in 1896 under the name Killen. In 1918, the canal ceased operations due to the commencement of Wilson Dam's construction. The dam's completion in 1924 resulted in the submergence of the canal. Today, the Lock 6 day-use area in Killen serves as a reminder of the canal's existence and features a historical marker. Killen was formally incorporated as a city in 1957, with the establishment of its police and fire departments occurring in 1962. Here, US 43 comes in from the right along with Alabama State Route 13, joining us for a 14-mile concurrency. We conclude today's drive at mile marker 40. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 or more a month, you too can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.